Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge monthly for your community on Skool. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start charging monthly on Skool. Maybe you want to turn your Skool community group into a paid group. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Skool community account. Next, click on settings on the right-hand side. From here, you want to click on pricing, and over here, you want to click on add a price. So here's where you're going to enter the monthly price that you want to start charging for, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start charging monthly for your community on Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.